And today, New York City firefighters started getting COVID-19 vaccines.
But NYPD officers are still waiting for their chance. CBS 2's Christina has more.
They're known as New York's bravest, and today these firefighters put on a brave face as they received their first COVID vaccine. Lieutenant John Leary, among the first in line, says he feels it was his duty.
I felt relieved. Right now, my family, personally, we're going through a little bit of a health crisis.
The FDNY has already inoculated over 1,000 EMTs beginning last week. Vaccinations for firefighters began today, and not all have expressed confidence. Earlier this month, a concerning union survey found only 45% of firefighters felt comfortable getting the shot. There's been an effort on vaccine education ever since.
The amount of appointments the department has already scheduled is a very hopeful showing that we're going to be well above that 45% number.
The NYPD, meanwhile, seems to have experienced a delay in its first shipments. Police Commissioner Dermot Shea was hopeful to have the vaccines by this week, but is now relying on the state and city Department of Health to advise him when it's their turn.
I want to see us get to our first responders as quickly as possible, so we're waiting for that state guidance to be clarified, and as soon as it is, we'll get that effort underway.
The Police Benevolent Association criticized the delay, writing, quote, "Once again, politicians in Albany and City Hall are wasting time with bureaucratic gymnastics instead of looking at the reality on the ground." Right now, the mayor says the focus remains on healthcare workers and nursing homes.
More and more people vaccinated, more categories are being approved by the state of New York.
So far, more than 67,000 New Yorkers have been vaccinated. The city health department waiting to learn from the federal government what the vaccine allotment will be in January. On the west side, Christina, CBS 2 News.